This is roughly what we're trying to do. It's made some edges, and we're going to try and make these curved like the window. So yeah, we're going to cut inside and outside corners of those, and then biscuit joint them together, and that will give us an outside out frame. And then we'll do the same trick with the bendy ply and the veneer, and try and cobble something together out of that. But there you go. It's yes, it's bloody cold, so I'm going to go in and warm up and have a cup of tea, I think. So we'll do that in a minute. Right, okay, here's our framework. Sort of biscuit cut and dry fitted, and I've marked a outline round on the table here, so it's not too far away. It might need some sanding up, maybe. Might have to take it down to the boat to actually try it for size. I think might be the best way forward, but okay. All that done. See what that fits like at the boat, I think. Okay, we're going to try and make this large window frame now. And so what I've done is slightly different, is to just tape the veneer around our former here, because it's all in different. It's basically the offcuts from the porthole one, so I haven't got it in one continuous loop, so I've had to patch it together out of bits. So it's not very difficult, it's not very easy rather to handle. So anyway, that's what I've done. So just going to wax some glue on that, paint it round, and just and put the frame on to start things off. Okay, that's together. The veneer only comes up so far. We've got to cut this down anyway, so that might be enough. But if it isn't enough, then I'm going to stick some of this iron-on stuff around the top of it and make a join. But it's all screwed up, and hopefully that'll hold together. And see what that looks like when it's dry. One thing I forgot, I knocked up this little frame, which is an oak surround, which is going to take the bathroom computer fan, which is the only 24 volt fan that wasn't stupid money I could find. That's in the bathroom, so that'll go down to the boat later on. We'll give that a coat of Osmo and stick it up. Slowly putting in all the lights and stuff in the boat, filling all the holes up basically. So starting to come together. All right, just thought I'd show you that. Okay, so this is the window frame, just kind of tidied up a bit. And there's a few little blemishes and bits that aren't quite stuck, so just trying to repair that now. So basically it's a little bit of glue and hope. Glue that all the way along there. Slightly wide joints here, so what I tend to do is just fill them with glue. Throw it in there and you've got yourself some wood filler. Let that dry and it will sand. Yeah, here's one I did earlier on that. That is just that was quite a large knot. It's just full of glue and sawdust. It looks okay when you sand it down. Okay, so that is that. That's all the repair work done, and I think now we'll just cut it down to size and let that dry off, and maybe take it for a fit tomorrow. Okay, we're all marked at 40mm in to give our depth. So now I'm just going to just gently cut this by hand. Okay, yet another failure. Where I want to be isn't covered by the veneer that was on there, so I've got this stuff which is iron on, so I'm going to have a go at just doing the last little bit with that and see seeing how that works out. So I was hoping that the fantastic Osmo will cover the blemishes which there are now. Right, then back in the shed, we just want to introduce you to these two fellas, which are basically templates for the doors, internal doors to the boat. So this one will be the bathroom door and that one is the bedroom door. Hopefully we can get these marked out and cut out today. Big window surrounds gone in, and yeah, it looks. I'm pretty pleased with that. That's okay. It's not without its faults, put it that way. It didn't turn out as nice as the porthole surrounds, but even so, I'll forgive it. It's fitting pretty good, and yeah, it looks quite good. So happy with that. That's another hole filled in. Right, end of another glorious day. I managed to plant one radiator, so quite pleased with that. Just got 3 more to do. Anyway, one down. And also in the bathroom, I had that little wooden square that I made, and that's gone together with the computer fan, whatever, and that should that's the bathroom fan that should come on when the lights come on. So yeah, back in the shed in the winter's grip. Just thought I'd bring you in on this because this, believe it or not, is a door. Some people would say it's an odd shaped door, but I prefer bespoke. There we go. So I kind of made a barn style door, or you know, a country style door, just to give us double width to fit hinges and any kind of locking mechanism you end up with. And this is number 2, one down, one to go. Yeah, slightly normal shape, this one, due to the fact that I built the doorway. This is going into the bathroom, so that's the only 2 internal doors in the whole boat. So